We are standing on the verge of Lithuania's 25th anniversary of freedom and independence. Although our country has been humiliated and trampled by alien people during the long years of occupation, the spirit of statehood and motherland freedom has remained in our people's hearts. Liberty is the vital condition for conscious life of an individual and nation. Freedom empowers us and also loads us with responsibility sense. The history of Lithuanian independence is the history of people's struggle for liberty. In 1990, March 11, Lithuanians took responsibility for learning strength to love our motherland, each other from the past. Yet, instead of fighting with jingling weapons, we have something stronger. We know how to speak. The ability to speak seems to be more influential power. If even after severe tortures, in freezing cold, starving or crushed under the tracks of tanks, those whose hearts were filled with motherland love and freedom idea, preserved and conveyed a vow to fight for our and your freedom. I am free, and you?
Laisvė tai yra man, kad aš augu Lietuvoje, kad galiu rašyti, skaityti lietuviškai, mokintis mokykloje. Aš didžiuojuosi, kad gyvenu Lietuvoje.
Laisvė, kaip sakė Albertas Camus, tai teisė nemeluoti.
O žmonės, juk mintis laisva. Ji gali sostą griauti ir pastatyti kitą. Ji gali sostą griauti ir pastatyti kitą.
I am free, and you?